Good morning, everyone. Good morning, dear students. How are you all? Is everyone fine? The work which was given yesterday, that was very small actually, and was for the book only. I hope you all have done that. So, as we all know, yesterday we have discussed reactions of metals with the water also, and we have discussed yesterday reactions of non-metal with the both oxygen and water. Okay, so non-metals की reaction oxygen के साथ, as we know, if there is the reaction of carbon, अगर कार्बन ने रिएक्शन किया ऑक्सीजन से, इट विल फॉर्म कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड CO2. ओके, अगर CO2 ने फिर रिएक्ट किया वाटर से, CO2 ने रिएक्ट किया H2O से, बट इट विल फॉर्म H2CO3. H2CO3 विच इज अ कार्बोनिक एसिड. H2CO3 क्या है? कार्बोनिक एसिड. ओके, लाइक इफ यू विल डू द एग्जाम्पल, टेक द एग्जाम्पल ऑफ सल्फर ऑल्सो. ओके, सल्फर ने रिएक्ट किया किससे? ऑक्सीजन से, एंड इट विल फॉर्म सल्फर डाइऑक्साइड. सल्फर डाइऑक्साइड, एज वी नो, इट इज यूज्ड इन इंसेक्टिसाइड ऑल्सो. इंसेक्टिसाइड भी इसका यूज होगा. ओके, एंड इट इज द मेजर कॉज ऑफ व्हाट? एसिड रेन ऑल्सो. SO2 एक मेजर कॉज है एसिड रेन का भी. ओके, अगर जब SO2 ने रिएक्ट किया किससे? H2O से, व्हाट इट विल फॉर्म? टेल मी प्लीज. इट विल फॉर्म H2SO3. okay, it will form H2SO3, which is known as sulfurous acid. It is known as sulfurous acid. Clear? So this is the reaction of non-metals with the oxygen. As we know, reactions of non-metals with the water, they are not showing. Clear? Non-metals water से reaction show नहीं करते. Clear? And yesterday we have done that also, reactions of metals with the water. ऑक्सीजन के साथ हम पहले कर चुके हैं. Okay, if we will discuss that some metals are there which reacts readily, which less rarely, and some reactions are there, some metals are there, if we will give them conditions for the reaction, under drastic condition also they will not show any kind of reaction. Okay, so today we will take part throwback of that first, reactions of some metals with the oxygen. Clear? उसमें हम कौन से मेटल पढ़ेंगे? दैट इज सोडियम, मैग्नीशियम, आयरन और कॉपर. इसमें हम पढ़ेंगे इफ द मेटल्स आर रिएक्टिंग विद ऑक्सीजन, उनकी ऑब्जर्वेशन क्या होगी, मीन्स व्हाट विल ऑब्जर्व, और प्रोडक्ट फॉर्मेशन क्या होगी, उन्होंने क्या फॉर्म किया. इफ देयर इज द मेटल सोडियम, ऑब्जर्वेशन, इट विल बर्न क्विकली विद अ वाइट येलो फ्लेम. सोडियम बर्न करेगा क्विकली किसके साथ? वाइट येलो फ्लेम के साथ. इट विल गिव वाइट येलो फ्लेम. और प्रोडक्ट क्या होगा? इट विल फॉर्म सोडियम ऑक्साइड, Na2O. इट विल फॉर्म सोडियम ऑक्साइड विद वाइट पाउडर. ओके, इट विल फॉर्म अ वाइट पाउडर. ये इसका प्रोडक्ट होगा. क्लियर? नेक्स्ट, अगर हम देखें मेटल रिएक्शन, मैग्नीशियम की रिएक्शन ऑक्सीजन से, it will burn with a brilliant white flame. It will burn with a brilliant white flame. White flame से burn होगा. इसका प्रोडक्ट क्या होगा? मैग्नीशियम ऑक्साइड. प्रोडक्ट मैग्नीशियम का ऑक्सीजन के साथ क्या होगा? It will form मैग्नीशियम ऑक्साइड and it will form white ash. प्रोडक्ट क्या बनेगा? प्रोडक्ट will be white ash. ओके, ये वो है जो इनके बर्न होने के बाद उनका पार्ट बनता है. ओके, नेक्स्ट मेटल वी आर जस्ट गोइंग टू स्टार्ट हियर, आयरन, दैट इज Fe. वी प्रेजेंट आयरन विद द सिंबल Fe. डज नॉट बर्न, इट विल नॉट बर्न. द रेड हॉट मेटल ग्लोज इन ऑक्सीजन, इट विल ग्लोज इन ऑक्सीजन ओनली. इट विल शो इन ग्लोज एंड गिव्स ऑफ येलो स्पार्क. It will gives off yellow spark. Okay, and what it will give? It will give iron oxide. Iron oxide you can say Fe2O3, iron oxide, and it will form an orange powder. It will form an orange powder. Okay. Next one. Next is copper. अगर हम कॉपर की रिएक्शन देखें ऑक्सीजन से, if you will see the reaction of copper with oxygen, does not burn, it will also not burn. The metal eventually coated with a black layer. इसके ऊपर एक black layer आ जाएगी. So it will form what? Copper oxide. Copper oxide form करेगा और it will give a black powder. A black powder. Okay, so let us take revise once more. We are just going to start reaction of these metals sodium, magnesium, iron, copper with oxygen. Okay, observation क्या होगी? Burn quickly with the white yellow flame. Magnesium की with the brilliant white flame. Iron की it will not burn. Iron and copper both will not burn. The hot metal glows in oxygen and gives off yellow spark. Iron देगा yellow spark और copper it will coated with a black layer. Okay, product formation क्या होगी? It will form sodium oxide, magnesium form magnesium oxide, iron form iron oxide और copper will form copper oxide. Product सोडियम में बनेगा white powder, मैग्नीशियम में white ash और iron oxide में an orange powder, and in copper oxide a black powder will form. Okay, so we are going to start now reactions of some metal with water. हमने कर ली है ऑक्सीजन की. We will start now with water. Same thing will be here also. Okay, so let us start. Till then you may revise these ones कि इसमें क्या होगा. Let us start our next part कि reactions of metals now with water. Clear? So first metal we will take as potassium. Potassium का symbol क्या होगा? It will stand for K. It is potassium. Symbol will be K. What it will be? Observation. It will give violent reaction with cold water. Okay, with cold water. As it will give reaction with cold water, what will happen? It will floats on water. Floats on water. And what was there in the reaction of water? They will form या तो metal oxide form करेंगे या metal hydroxide form करेंगे. So it will form potassium hydroxide. Potassium hydroxide K. Potassium hydroxide stands for OH. Hydroxide or potassium. Okay, and it will form what? As we know, in the metal reaction with water, they will form hydrogen gas. They will form hydrogen. There will be the release of product formation will be of hydrogen in every metal. Okay. Next we are going to start sodium. Sodium is Na. Okay. As it will react violent with cold water. It will also react with cold water. Okay. It will shows vigorous reaction with cold water. Vigorous reaction with cold water. Product formation क्या होगी इसमें? Anyone can tell me? Product formation will be sodium hydroxide plus hydrogen gas, or it will floats and anyone can tell me? And it can catches fire easily. Okay, sodium and potassium question is there in the book. Why we stored in the kerosene? Because they show vigorous reactions with the air, oxygen के साथ, water के साथ. They will shows vigorous reactions. Okay, they can catch fire easily. That is why they are to be stored on the kerosene. So it will form NaOH, sodium hydroxide, or H2. Clear? There will be the formation of hydrogen gas as I tell earlier in every point. Next is third one is calcium. Ca stands for calcium. अब calcium में क्या होगा? It will shows less reaction with water, cold water. Less vigorous with cold water. Okay, and as we know product क्या होगा, it will also form hydroxide. So calcium hydroxide it will form, it is the formula of calcium hydroxide, and there is a product formation of hydrogen also. Clear? So we had done 3 here. Still potassium, it will shows reaction vigorous with cold water, it will float some water and it will form potassium hydroxide with hydrogen gas. सोडियम रिएक्शन करेगा किससे, it will shows vigorous reaction with cold water and floats. Okay, clear? And it can catch fire easily. It will form sodium hydroxide and hydrogen gas. Calcium, it shows less vigorous with cold water, it is less vigorous with cold water, and as we know they are forming metal oxide से metal hydroxide, और hydrogen gas formation तो सब में होगी. Okay, so calcium hydroxide it will form. Next is magnesium. मैग्नीशियम क्या फॉर्म करेगा, मैग्नीशियम हाइड्रोक्साइड, इसका फॉर्मूला क्या होगा, मैग्नीशियम हाइड्रोक्साइड या मैग्नीशियम ऑक्साइड, इट विल फॉर्म मैग्नीशियम ऑक्साइड. ऑब्जर्वेशन क्या होगी, anyone tell me please. It will react very slow with cold water. Okay, very slow with cold water, but react vigorous with steam. It will react very slow with cold water, but it will react vigorously with steam. Okay, it will form magnesium oxide and H2 or hydrogen. So last one is zinc, Zn. Okay, it will very quite slow with steam, it is quite slow with steam. Okay, and it will form zinc oxide, ZnO, and also there is the formation of hydrogen gas. Clear? So we have done today the reactions of some metals with oxygen and water both. So reaction of with water, these are metals which we have studied here are potassium, sodium, calcium, magnesium, zinc. It will react vigorously with cold water and floats in water. Okay, and these potassium and sodium can catches fire very easily. That is why these both stored under kerosene. Okay, that is why these both stored under kerosene. Potassium क्या form करेगा, hydroxide with the hydrogen gas. Sodium will form sodium hydroxide with hydrogen gas. Calcium, it shows less vigorous reaction with cold water. Okay, it shows less vigorous reaction with cold water. It will form calcium hydroxide with hydrogen gas. Or magnesium, it reacts very slow with cold water, very slow with cold water, and it will form magnesium oxide plus hydrogen. Zinc, it reacts very slow with steam, zinc oxide and hydrogen gas. So we have taken a recap of the reaction of metals with oxygen and water both. I hope these are clear to you now. So till then you may take a screenshot of all this. But if you need any screenshot of any part, you may take at that time only. If you think that that part is about to over, then you can take a screenshot of that. Okay, so thank you everyone. I think everything is clear to you all. In our next video we will start reactions of metals with acids. Okay, till then watch this carefully. If any doubt is there, you may ask in the comment section. Okay, thank you everyone.